How to make money on Outlier.ea. What if you could boost your revenue by spotting hidden opportunities and avoiding costly mistakes automatically? Outlier.ea helps businesses to turn data into dollars by identifying critical trends and anomalies in real time. Learn how you can start earning money more with less efforts by leveraging the power of EA. Don't miss out on the chance to grow your profits. Read our guide now. Hey guys, and welcome. In this video I'll show you how you can earn money on Outlier. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into Outlier.ea. So this is the homepage as you can see, and first of all let's know what is Outlier. Outlier is a data analytics platform that leverages artificial intelligence to detect critical changes and anomalies within businesses data. It is designed to help companies identify unexpected patterns and relationships in their data, offering actionable insights that can improve customer experience and drive business growth. The platform integrates with various data sources such as Salesforce, Google Analytics, and Amazon Redshift, allowing for comprehensive analysis across multiple datasets. Key features include automatic anomaly detection, multi-source integration, and data visualization tools. So let's come back here to the job. Have you achieved the next generation of EA with your expertise? Get paid for training cutting-edge EA on your own schedule. So we have here 40,000 experts. We have paid 1,100 million pins, out, and we have 3.4 million assignments. So to get started, all you have to do is click over login, and then you write your email address and your password if you already have an account. Now if you are sign up, all you have to do is click over sign up, and then you write your personal information and you get started with Outlier. So here we have in the homepage, you can just click overview opportunities to know what you're gonna do in Outlier. So we have here various jobs. So all you have to do is just choose your jobs and you get started with it. So to make money using Outlier.ea, businesses can harness the platform powerful AI-driven insights to identify hidden opportunities, optimize operations, prevent losses, and improve decision-making. First, by analyzing sales trends and customer behavior, Outlier.ea can uncover emerging opportunities such as identifying which products or services are gaining popularity or which customer segments are most profitable, enabling targeted marketing and sales efforts. Additionally, the platform helps optimize operations by detecting anomalies in cost data or inefficiencies in supply chains, leading to cost reduction and improved profit margins. Inventory management also benefits as demand patterns can be analyzed to maintain optimal stock levels, avoiding the costs associated with overstocking or stockouts. Furthermore, Outlier.ea aids in preventing losses by identifying unusual transactions that might indicate fraud and spotting early signs of customer churn, allowing businesses to take proactive measures to retain customers and maintain revenue. Finally, the insights provided by Outlier.ea support data-driven decision-making, ensuring that business strategies are informed by accurate, real-time data, ultimately leading to more effective and profitable outcomes. So let's come back to the homepage. Here we have here various information to know it. First thing, share your expertise and get paid working with and when you want. Then we have here share your knowledge. Everyone's an expert at something. Share your expertise and help make a model more human. Then we have you connect with fellow experts, join our community to work alongside like-minded experts in your domain. Then we have you get paid on your terms, earn competitive pay while enjoying the flexibility to work where and when you want. Then we have you join community of innovators. Our EA trainers come from all backgrounds and have expertise in everything from organic chemistry to creative writing. I have generalists here, math, chemistry, law, history, coding, data science, and other domains. Then we have building great EA is a craft. You have your rating and ranking. You have rating or ranking assignments as contributors to identify the best model responses out of 2 or more options until the content is high quality enough to be accepted in a review process. Contributors may also be asked to justify their selection in relation to specific criteria or factors. Then this is the homepage how it looks. Then we have here open rewrite, sorry. And as you can see, with an open rewrite assignment, experts provide a starting point or a specific context for an EA model to expand upon. This prompts can vary widely depending on the desired output and the task at hand. Writing prompts can be simple sentences, questions, or descriptions made to elicit a response from the EA model. Then we have multimodal here. Multimodal assignments help train models generate and classify information from multiple modalities, including images, audio, or video. For example, experts might train the model to generate a story or a description based on virtual content. Then we have you helping develop safe and beneficial EA across all disciplines. We have here some comments that earned money with Outlier. So I travel a lot and enjoy working remotely. This is Nicholas. We have also Chelsea here. We have Gabriel Byrne. We have Christiana. We have Justin. Casey also. And if you scroll down, we have also some things here about Outlier here. So what is Outlier? So Outlier is a platform that connects subject matters experts to help build the words. We have here how you can get started. What does the onboarding process look like? Will I get paid for the onboarding process? How long does the onboarding takes? Then we have what is the purpose of Outlier's onboarding. You have qualification here. What qualification do we need? Then we have here what is your selection process, how are resumes evaluated. Then we have can I bring some friends too. Then we have your payment, how much will I be paid, how will I be paid, are these opportunities to earn more. Then we have here hours, how much time should I expect to work. We have can I do this work in addition to another part-time or full-time opportunity. Then how long will this opportunity last. So that's how it's work with Outlier. So making money on Outlier.ea involves participating in projects that help train and refine EA models. Contributors work as independent contractors and can choose how many hours they want to work each week, making it flexible for different schedules. Pay is competitive and is based on the complexity of the tasks. Your qualification and your performance payment is typically made weekly via PayPal or other methods. Additionally, some projects may offer rewards or for completing onboarding programs or for exceptional performance, which can increase earnings. So that's how it works with Outlier.ea. So you can just get started and you can earn money using this website. So it's very helpful. So you can just do whatever you want. So like you have data science, coding, history, journalism, math, chemistry, or other things, and you make money with it. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been found helpful, and see you again in the next video.